Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can search for a YouTube channel. So by following the step, you should be able to search every YouTube channel, alright? So I'm going to show you two methods, so watch this video carefully. So the first method is to just search for their name. So when you open YouTube, at the top there's going to be a search icon. You just want to click on the search icon and over here just write the name of the channel. So if you know the name of the channel, just write it like this. So I'm going to search for my friend's YouTube channel. So I'm just going to write his name. I mean his YouTube channel name, not his name. You need to write their YouTube channel name, alright? Writing their personal name, nothing will be displayed. Once I search for it, his channel should be displayed over here. So due to my slow internet, it's loading a bit. But after the loading is complete, as you guys can see, the channel is being displayed over here. So that is one way. But let's say there's a lot of channel with the same name. In that case, when you search for a channel, multiple channel is going to be shown. And you cannot just scroll through every single channel to see which channel is the actual one you're looking for. In that case, you need to use their username because a username is unique to a channel. So over here, this channel, Witchy Kevin, right below you can see @WitchyKevin. That's his username. And that username is unique to this channel. So you can just click on the search again. And then this time at the front, just write @ and write the channel's username. Just like this. And the channel with this username should be displayed. So that's how you guys can search for a YouTube channel using their username and using their channel name. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel 1 step. I will see you guys next time.